right, let's get it. Let's say I couldn't break my gun down, my hands was messed up, and I need you to break it down and put it back together and check it for me. I want you to show me how to do it. I need you to do it for me. Your daddy hurt, his hands can't do it. Take your time and just think about it. John, calm down. Okay. Take the other part out. Okay.
Is there anything in there?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, thank God.
No, it's always safety first around here. Make sure you put it in there, right? Push it back in there. No. Push it in there. Come on, my hands is bleeding. I can't do it. I need you to get it for me. You gotta do it for your daddy. I need you to put it back together for me. Take it off and line it up right. You had it on there. Why you ain't just push it back? What happened? No. You're going too fast. Take your time. Line it up. That's not right. You be having it on there. Why you don't just push it back? You keep taking it off. I don't know why you keep taking it off. Once you line it up and you get it on track, just push it all the way back. Don't break it. Just okay. What else you gotta do? Really? Good job.